So I'm wearing the Super Compressor jacket right now, and it's pretty much the jacket that I wear every single day. It's super warm for how lightweight it is, and it performs really well in damp conditions because of the synthetic down. It retains its loft and stays just as warm as when it's completely dry. It gets really chilly up on the walls in Yosemite, and this is the one jacket that I always bring. It packs down super small into an internal pocket, and you can throw it in the pack, and it's awesome.